Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can reset your app or clear the data. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on the settings and go to apps, and here it is a manage apps option. You have to choose the app it from there, like YouTube. Click on the data, and friends, you have to just first off this background data. Click on OK, and then you have to click on storage and clear the cache first. And friends, here it is the clear all data. All app data includes files, settings, accounts, database, and cache will be permanently deleted. If you want to do this, you can. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.